Hi, I'm Jesse Barksdale, service manager here at Conicelli Nissan. If you've got a busy schedule like most of us, this one's for you. This June, swing by Monday through Friday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. and get 15% off all express maintenance repairs. Whether it's an oil change, filter replacement, tire rotation, battery, air filter service, we can get you in, get it done, and get you back on the road. You can relax in our lounge, enjoy your fresh coffee. We'll take care of the rest. Quick, convenient, and dependable service every time. Need to clear the air? This month, you'll save $10 on our air and cabin filter combo, a must for allergy season. Don't miss our summer special, oil change and filter with tire rotation for just $69.95. But if you remember one thing, remember this: 1 to 4 p.m. weekdays, 15% off. No appointment needed. Schedule your appointment or visit now by giving us a call at 888-289-5948. or online at conicelliservice.com. Conicelli Nissan Service Center.
A nice place to do business.